Hi, my name is Zachary Louwagie, Precision Ag Consultant with C&B Operations. Today I'll be demonstrating on how to use the My Transfer app to transfer data from a display to my Operations Center for our Technology Thursday video.
For those of you who don't know, the My Transfer app creates a seamless portal to and from the Operations Center and enables immediate access to farm documentation, setup files, and prescription files. It allows growers and their trusted advisors to wirelessly share data with one another via their preferred cellular provider without the hassle of traveling to exchange a USB device. John Deere utilizes a USB device in the My Transfer mobile app to export files from an in-cab display, then sends those files directly to the Operations Center using a smartphone. Additionally, setup and prescription files can be pulled from the My File section of the Operations Center account while in a machine in the field. One of the neat features of the My Transfer app is it's compatible with both John Deere displays as well as many competitive displays, such as this 2020 Seed Sense monitor I have in front of me. So to start, I'll take either a mobile data transfer stick or an iExpand USB device, which I have here. After inserting the USB into the back of the display, from the main menu of the 2020, I'm going to select Setup, Data, Backup/Restore, and then I like just to back up all. Then you'll see on the bottom that the backup is in progress. After exporting the data off your display, you want to open your My Transfer app. From there, we want to start a new transfer to the Operations Center. I'll then choose the type of device that I am using, in this case, the iExpand drive. I'll then choose the file location, in this case, the Precision Planting 2020. It will then scan for files on the device. Once files have been found, it will start transferring from the USB device onto the My Transfer app. Once your files have been transferred from your mobile data transfer stick or your iExpand drive to the My Transfer app, you can choose to transfer the files to Operations Center now or transfer the files later. So since I am on Wi-Fi right now and not out in the field in cellular data, I'm going to go ahead and choose Transfer Files to Operations Center. I will then be prompted to log into my John Deere account. After getting logged in, the files will automatically begin uploading to the Operations Center, where they can then be viewed and analyzed.
Thanks for watching today's Technology Thursday video. I'm Zachary Louwagie with C&B Operations, committed to being your dealer of choice.